Welcome to MVP Auto Pro, the place where timeless designs and modern engineering come together. Today, we're talking about a cruiser that blends classic American styling with Honda's reputation for reliability and smoothness, the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom. The Phantom is a favorite for those who want the low-slung, blacked-out cruiser look, but without the weight, complexity, or price tag of a heavyweight V-twin. In this video, we'll break down what's new for 2025, how it rides, and why it continues to be a go-to machine for both beginners and experienced riders alike. Design: dark, minimal, and timeless. The 2025 Shadow Phantom stays true to its low-profile, bobber-inspired roots, with blacked-out styling, clean lines, and just the right amount of chrome. Honda has subtly refined the look for 2025, adding updated LED lighting across the board, including the round LED headlamp, slim turn signals, and redesigned tail light that blends seamlessly with the fender. The new matte color options, including stealth black, metallic, and gunmetal gray, enhance its brooding, no-nonsense presence. The teardrop fuel tank, wire spoke wheels, and chopped fenders give it that old-school cruiser attitude, while compact dimensions and a minimalist gauge cluster keep things sleek and uncluttered. Engine: smooth V-twin power. At the heart of the Shadow Phantom is Honda's time-tested 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. Tuned for low-end torque and easy cruising, the engine delivers around 44 horsepower and 65 newton-meters of torque, more than enough to enjoy city rides, weekend backroads, or even light highway touring. The 5-speed transmission offers smooth shifts, and the shaft drive is a key highlight. Low maintenance, clean, and extremely durable compared to chain or belt setups. This engine isn't about top-end speed, it's about effortless torque, a relaxed riding pace, and an engine that purrs under you like a trusted companion. Ride and handling: easy, low, and confident. The 2025 Shadow Phantom is designed with rider comfort and confidence in mind. Thanks to its low 25.6-inch seat height, most riders can flat-foot at stops, making it incredibly approachable for shorter riders or beginners. The mid-mounted foot pegs and wide handlebars provide a natural, relaxed riding position ideal for long rides or urban cruising. Despite being a cruiser, the Shadow Phantom handles remarkably well. The 41mm front forks and dual rear shocks absorb road imperfections effectively, while its low center of gravity helps the bike stay planted and stable through turns. It's not a canyon carver, but it offers solid, predictable handling with a smooth, controlled ride. Technology and features: simple, with just enough. Honda has always taken a minimalist approach with the Phantom, and 2025 continues that tradition, but with thoughtful updates. You'll now find a compact digital speedometer with trip and fuel range functions, a gear position indicator, and a cleaner, more legible display. Safety-wise, the front disc brake now comes standard with ABS, which is a welcome addition for riders of all skill levels. The rear continues with a drum brake setup, preserving the classic cruiser look. There's also new LED lighting across the bike for improved visibility, plus a kill switch, hazard lights, and keyed ignition lock for everyday functionality. What the Shadow Phantom doesn't have in high-tech electronics, it makes up for in reliability, ease of use, and a pure, connected riding feel. Practicality: real-world riding, real value. The Shadow Phantom shines in real-world conditions. It's lightweight for a cruiser, easy to maneuver in traffic, and offers excellent fuel economy, averaging around 55 miles per gallon, 23 kilometers per liter. The 3.7-gallon, 14-liter fuel tank provides a respectable range for most riders, and the shaft drive cuts down on maintenance hassles. It also makes a great platform for customization. Whether you want to add saddlebags, a windscreen, or go full bobber with aftermarket fenders and pipes, the Shadow Phantom is highly modifiable and backed by Honda's extensive aftermarket support. Final verdict: a modern classic with soul. The 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom may not have the biggest engine, the flashiest tech, or the loudest pipes, but that's exactly the point. It's a clean, reliable, well-built cruiser that captures the essence of classic motorcycling, with just the right touch of modern refinement. It's easy to ride, affordable to own, and built to last. For riders who value style, comfort, and simplicity over extreme speed or complexity, the Shadow Phantom remains one of the best choices in the mid-size cruiser segment. It's a reminder that sometimes less is more. And with Honda quality behind it, this bike delivers far more than you'd expect. Outro. Subscribe to MVP Auto Pro. Thanks for riding with us here at MVP Auto Pro for this in-depth look at the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom. If you're into cruisers, custom builds, or timeless motorcycles that just get it right, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews, ride stories, and build features. Until next time, stay smooth and keep riding, only on MVP Auto Pro.